Hi guys, I'm Philip. Today I'm gonna talk about how to do the round edge table island. Okay, so let's see. We can go to this one same the kitchen like I told you. Then very simple, you drag some pattern out first the front here. Okay, from here, this one make it 0. Okay, actually you can use edge function on this one. Let me show you some magic. Okay, you can press jack, then use point capture. Just click on the point here, then you can get here. Simple as that. Okay, so then you duplicate another one, exit. Okay, Control V, duplicate another one, press jack also. This one I'm gonna this angle match this angle. Point capture, this angle match this angle. Rotate it lah. Remember rotate it. Okay, rotate it. Press Z, press X. Okay, you can rotate it. You can rotate it 20 degrees. Okay, then press Z again now. Only you use the point capture again, or sometimes it's no choice like this thing. Okay, exit. Okay, drag again another one, put here. Okay, put here first, then press Z again, point capture, duplicate this one, merge this one. Okay, simple. My tabletop a bit big. Okay, maybe the thickness I shouldn't do so big. But never mind the thickness you guys adjust your own okay. The thickness you guys adjust your own. Okay. One more thing on this one, I shall make this one come inside. Where this one come inside. Okay, the thickness I should change. Either one should come inside. So maybe this one white is 800, right? So each 400. So that I put add 400. Add 400. Just in case. They got maximum also. Okay, like this, no choice, guys. Like this, no choice. Okay, so I'll just simply drag a box here. Maybe open case. Okay, drag this one. Okay, so this one 800, 800, 800. So this one roughly 800 and 800. Okay, just change it first. Then use. Then simple, you just click on this one, press Z again, use the point capture, put inside. Life are so easy. Okay, right click, exit. Okay, then this one we want to make curve, right? The round edge like my customer say. Simple, you just go to this one, special board, then find the score special board, right? Like this one, super plate. Okay, so this one 800. This one is how much? The depth is 600. The depth is 550. The depth is 550, right? Simple, I'll change it to 550. 550. 550. Okay. Then you just click B select. We merge it first. Okay. The height is how much? The height is 680. So I click on it. Change the height to 680. Okay, then use the point capture method, jack. Okay, jack, right? Point capture, select it, capture here, put here. Simple as that. Okay, duplicate it, guys. Duplicate it. Okay, put at the corner first. So this one, Control V, another one, then press jack. Control V fill one. Control V. Okay. Okay, first one, this one. Press jack. Okay. Point capture. Setting B, we just merge it. Okay. Oh no. select long direction. Okay, merge again. This one, merge with this one. Yes. Okay. Point capture. This one should be here. Merge with this one. Okay. This one should be here. Merge with this one. Okay. Very simple lah. Not hard. This one. Okay. If wrong, do again lah. Okay. Right click. Exit. This one. Here. Merge with this one. Okay. Exit. Remember exit like every time we done the thing. So click on this one, right? You want to make round, right? Simple. You just go to where the button should be round, should be D selection. Okay. So click on the banner. So you see this one. You can make it round. Okay. Click on here. Make it round. Okay. How many round? So maybe I put 300. Then you see the curve 300. Okay, simple as that. Exit. See, round table. Okay, 300. Another one, continuously do lah. Just continually do. Okay. 300B. Click on it. Select the corner. Click this one. 300. Okay, simple as that. This one, click on it. Okay, where is the edge? Click on this one. Select the corner. 300. Okay. This one also. In here, click on it. Click on the round. Click on this one. Select this one. Okay. Make it 300. Enter. Okay. Simple as that. Exit. Okay. So we almost finished lah. Just left the skirting. Do skirting lor. Install skirting. Okay. If skirting you want to do all right, simple lah. Just highlight thing. Highlight the thing. Let computer know this you want to do skirting. Install skirting. Okay. So obviously my skirting cannot be read. Never mind, I do one by one. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Skirting. I cannot select the center one. If I'm not mistaken, because skirting is a round circle. I cannot select the center one. Okay. See, just use your mind. Simple as that. Okay. Simple as that. So we just select this one. Choose. Then material. Simply choose. Simply choose. Okay. Tabletop. Put 100. Generate. Okay. See, generate like this one. I'm not correct. Never mind. Right click. Line edit. Okay. Click on here. You can see curve also, right? This one I'm gonna do something like this also. Okay. Put 300 on same thing. 300. Okay. See. Okay. Let's see curve. Okay. So you continuously do the thing lah. Same method. This one. Curve. Okay. 300. So. Okay. Enter. This one. I cannot select. Too far for me. Okay. 300 also. Okay. Enter. This one. 300 also. Very simple. Okay. Then you complete already. So, as you know, the tabletop should be same lah, guys. Same method only. Okay. Same method. Okay. Let me try this one. Okay. See, definitely cannot automatic break. So you just select this one. Select this one. Select this one. Because center cannot include lah. Maybe center this one I shouldn't include also. Okay. Countertop installation. Same method, or we choose the tabletop first. Okay, let me see the picture. Tabletop, white color. So I'll choose simple one. I don't want anything so complicated. Choose round. Then I'll choose this one, the height, the one. So I'll choose white color mat, white color stone. Okay, white color stone. Okay, simple. This one I don't want to choose this one. Okay, in case I suggest choose the normal one. Okay, normal one are in here. Or you can see this one called TM11. Okay, you see this one is normal one. Okay, so you can click here, change the edge to 300 also. Okay, and this one also change the edge to 300 also. Simple as that. So put the edge to 300 also. 3000. Oh my god. Okay, edge to 300 also. Enter, then click generate. Okay, so that's all for my tabletop lah. You can modify by yourself. That's all for this this called what around edge island, table island. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.